Hello, dear students. A very warm welcome to you. At Deeksha, learning always continues, and one very important tool in ensuring this uninterrupted learning is Educator, a learning app from Deeksha. In this video, we shall quickly see how to download and install this app as well as how to log in. It's quite simple, absolutely similar to how you download and install any other app from Play Store. Nonetheless, let me walk you through the entire process. So what you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see as I'm simultaneously doing the same on the screen as well. So you go to Play Store where you have to type Educator, which is EDUCATOR. All right. Once you have done that, you will get the results and you will see Educator app coming up. The logo is actually an orange box in which E is, it's E written in a cursive format. You just go and click on install. I'll also wait so that you get a first-hand feel of how much time it takes to install it as well. It is happening as we speak. It's still happening. It takes a few seconds. I think the installation is completed. Let me just check nonetheless. Yes, Educator now is installed. As you would see that it is installed on your device. This is not where it ends. As the documents in Educator are encrypted, to be able to access the same, you need to download another app called EduReader. So here you go. Once again, the same process. You have to go to Play Store and type EduReader, which is EDU space READER. All right. And once you search the same, you would get that again. You have to click on install. You have to say accept out here. And there you go. We wait as EduReader gets downloaded and installed. That's about it. The EduReader app is also downloaded. You can go back, close it, and go to your device and see the screen where the apps are downloaded. Here you would see Educator and EduReader, both are downloaded, right? Now that both are downloaded and installed, you can open Educator and you shall see the login page where you have to enter your ID and password to be able to log in. Okay. It is taking a moment to connect to the server. Just a moment. Yes, here you go. You will see the login ID, the page where you have to enter the login ID and password. You would receive an email. You would have received an email with your login and login ID and password. You can enter the same. All right. To access, as we speak, I'll also try logging in to make you see as to how it works. So let me quickly enter a demo student ID and password as well. Here you go. Just give me a moment as I enter the same. Okay, ID is done, and now here you go. I'm entering the password and we are good to log in. Okay, here you have to select that. Yes, you have to allow Educator to access. All right. So here you will see that your login is successful. You can take a minute quickly to see the basic features. Just swipe right, how it might look, right? And your Educator app is ready to use. Now, as I go next, you will see something very important when you click on Got It. You will see that the online content sync is in process. Okay. So this happens only the first time you're logging into Educator. All the content which is in Educator needs to sync in. So just give it a few seconds for the content to sink in. You would see programs 1 out of 5 contents are sinking in. Just hold on, be online, be connected till this happens. Okay. So as we speak, it is happening, as you would see on the screen. You would get to understand how much time it takes for the sync process as well, as you can see it real time. Okay. So there are 5 programs that you would see. So 2 out of 5 are done. We are waiting for the remaining ones to sink in as well. We're still on the second program, but yes, 3 done, another 2 to go. As I said earlier, this would happen only the first time that you log in, and afterwards you do not have to worry about that at all. Anytime anything new is uploaded, it syncs into the app, but only the first time it takes time as the complete content is getting synced up. I think we are almost done. Just a few more seconds, students. Please bear with me here. While that is happening, you might be worrying as to why the dashboard is empty. It says, oops, no last visited document video. It's quite simple. We have not yet visited any document. This is the first time we are logging in. We have not read any document. We have not taken any test. That's exactly why there's nothing which is shown in the dashboard. Once you start using the app, you get data in the dashboard as well. While we speak, 4 programs are completed. So I think we are about to complete the entire sync up process. We are almost done here. We are in the final leg, in the final program. As you would see, it says 5 out of 5. The final program is getting synced up. This is an important step, dear students, and please ensure that the first time you log in, you definitely sync up all the content, so that the next time onwards when you log in, there's ease of usage and you don't have to wait for anything. Yes, syncing content ends. Analytics synced successfully. So your app is now, your educator is now absolutely ready for you to explore. Okay, and you can learn from this now. All right. Thank you, students. I hope you found this video useful. Herein, we just saw how to download and install Educator app and log into the same. In our next video, we shall talk about a few features of Educator and how to use it. Thanks a lot and happy learning, dear students.